Club release day. Today we are releasing our Unicorn Magic kit. It is absolutely cute. This is the stamp that comes in the kit. Every day holds new magic. How cute. Believe in you, have a magical day and make a wish. So cute. This is the laser cut. The little rainbow, you are magical. And of course you've got your magazine, which is full of ideas. This is the the cut apart sheet. Cute little sayings on there, and look how cute they are. And of course you've got a whole bunch of papers to use as backgrounds and things in your card. All about rainbows and sparkles and everything beautiful and magical. There are 2 add-ons. This is our new stencil called Rainbow, pretty sure. Rainbow Magic. You've got the sprinkles, the stars, and the rainbow, of course. And a fussy cutting die. If you didn't already get these last month, the Scene Builder dies, stencil, sorry, goes so great with this collection as well. So this is the grass and clouds. This is the elements. And this is the trees. And if I show you some of the cards, show you how you can use some of them. This one's by Ashley. She's used the sprinkles here on her background. Too cute. That is the rainbow, of course. And I guess that is the stencil. Oh, the You Are the Magic is on the laser cut. Oh, my little sparkle, they're so cute. They're the clouds from that cloud and grass border one I was telling you about. So this one here. Really cute. So this kit is now available and is shipping straight away. No delays this month, thank goodness. Hopefully things are getting back to more normal now Christmas is done. So Stamp and Colour kits are $27. This is available online now. You can subscribe to get one every month, and they're obviously cheaper if you subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.